In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp tutorial for beginners, ClickUp for solopreneurs, how to use ClickUp to manage yourself. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can get a clean, repeatable setup fast. By the end, you'll have a ready-made structure in your workspace that organizes tasks, projects, and priorities without starting from scratch. First, go to ClickUp. Open it in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. You may land on Home, Inbox, or the last page you used. That's fine. What matters is that you're inside your workspace and can see the left sidebar. For the smoothest experience, do this on a computer so menus and buttons are easy to find. Next, click the space settings of your desired space. A space is a top-level container for your work, ideal for a personal hub if you're a solopreneur. In the left sidebar, locate the space you want, then open its settings, usually a gear or 3 dots. Choose the space you'll use to manage yourself day to day. Inside those settings, find templates and click Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library with pre-built structures for tasks, lists, views, and statuses. Using a template is the fastest way to get organized because it brings in smart defaults you can refine later. In the library, use the search bar to type business, then select the template that matches how you like to work. Review its overview, the lists it creates, and the statuses or views it includes. Picking something close to your style minimizes edits later. If there's a preview, skim it to confirm it covers the basics you need, like a backlog, active work, and done items. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll typically see a confirmation screen. Click Use Template again to proceed. If options appear, the defaults are usually safe for a first import. The import may take a moment. Don't close the page while it finishes. When it's done, the structure will appear inside your chosen space. And that's it. You've added a business-ready framework to your space that you can immediately use to plan, track, and review your work. Keep the core pieces, remove what you don't need, and let the template do the heavy lifting so you can focus on getting things done.